is Sophie and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking with you about the performance equation. So what is the performance equation? Well, performance can be broken down into potential minus internal interferences. And internal interferences are things like all those thoughts telling you to stop doing what it is you're doing. You're never gonna achieve your goals. It's just not gonna work out. But this equation can actually be broken down further because potential is made up of genetics and practice. And internal interferences can be broken down into self-esteem and kind of how we think other people see us. Okay, so let me show you guys how you can actually use this equation and all of its variables to achieve the level of performance that you want to achieve in any skills, any discipline, be it hands-on skills, tests, social skills, whatever it is. Let's go. Okay, so let's start off talking about genes. Now, genes, obviously, we don't really have any influence over. They're just passed down to us. And you might be wondering, why are we talking about genes if we can't actually impact it? How is that going to help me reach my level of performance? Well, what's important when it comes to genes is actually knowing how you can almost exploit them, because you need to realize those skills and those disciplines that you have a genetic advantage in. And if you don't realize that, well, you'll never be able to kind of grow from that genetic advantage that you already have and actually exploit it. Coming to practice, we do have a lot more influence when it comes to practice, but that also means that we have to put in a ton more work and have a lot more discipline. So practice, on the one hand, allows us to further exploit these genetic advantages that we have. But it also enables us to actually improve in skills that we don't have a genetic advantage in. Obviously, that will require even more work. But what's important here in this point is realizing that practice as a variable in this entire equation is the one that requires the most work, but we also have the most control over it. Okay, so now coming to self-esteem. Self-esteem is kind of made up of self-confidence and how proud we are of ourselves. So just be proud of your achievements, and you actually know best how much effort it took to achieve those things and reach that level of performance that you're already at, and be honest with yourself. Give yourself the credit that you deserve and don't belittle anything that you've done. There definitely is a time and place to be humble, but when it comes to self-esteem, in order to increase your level of performance and confidence, that's not it. You need to be honest with yourself and, again, give yourself the credit that you deserve because you know how much work you put into it. But at the same time, what's really important here is being honest with yourself. And if you know that you haven't given it your best and really tried your all, then realize that and reflect upon that and then do better next time. But don't just brush it off and tell yourself, yes, you did try your best, just to make yourself feel better. The main takeaway with this point is really just to be honest with yourself. And now we're coming to the last variable, which is how we think other people see us. And there's a really important distinction to make here between how we think other people see us and how other people actually see us. Because to be honest with you guys, no one actually really cares about you that much. We all think that people are constantly judging us, thinking about all the things that we've achieved, how long it took us to get there. But in reality, no one really cares about your achievements. They're all just worried about their own lives and how they're gonna survive the day. And here, having a high self-esteem actually helps us think and worry less about what it is or how we think other people see us, just because we have that confidence and we know how much work we put in, that we gave it our all, and all the things that we have achieved. We can't actually influence how other people see us or how they think about us, only how we treat them. So focus on your actions and don't worry about things that you can't actually influence and don't have an impact on. Instead of putting all that energy into worrying how other people see you, take that energy and input it back into the practice variable, because again, that practice, that variable in the equation, really requires the most work because you have the most influence over it. Okay, so that's the performance equation for you guys, and basically by breaking down performance into all of these different variables, 4 to be exact, it's not that much, that actually enables you to focus on each one of these at a time when it comes to a skill that you want to learn. And that just makes learning a new skill or improving performance in an existing skill that you have, doing better on a test, social skills, hands-on skills, whatever it is, it just makes it less overwhelming because you can focus on all of these one at a time. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and comment down below any skills that you're looking to improve or increase your performance in. I feel like that would be a really awesome discussion to start. And also let me know how you implemented the performance equation yourself. And yeah, if you guys found this video helpful or enjoyable in any way, shape, or form, then leave a like down below and share it with anyone that's actually struggling to improve in performance, or that might just want to watch this video for any other reason. And yeah, subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Hit the notification bell and stay safe, and I'll see you soon.